Hi guys, welcome to Club 9. My name is Ola Harry. This is another day of BTC profit. Yes, so if you check my analysis from day 1 to up to this present day, you will see how consistent the profit has been, and I can assure you that just continue to go like that. Don't change, don't try to up your game for now. Just maintain that peace, maintain that opacity to ensure that you are consistent. You need to build discipline for now. Okay, that if you are a new trader, and this analysis will continue in case anyone is coming new and you want to use this to build your trading career, or you want to use it to build yourself to become a professional trader. That's it. Okay, so don't forget that we have beginners class, we have advanced class, we also have master class. So any level you belong to, just join the level. Advanced class is usually free, and currently we are doing trading challenge in the advanced class. So if you're an advanced trader, you know how to trade, then join the advanced class. If you want to trade with me directly, join the master class. Okay, yeah. And if you're still very new, join the beginners class. That's it. So let's quickly dive into today's BTC profit, and let's see how it works. Now today, BTC profit will talk more about time session, right? The best time to trade crypto. There are two best time sessions to trade crypto, and I'm going to show you different things. So let's see. This is BTC. So we had our analysis from yesterday, and you can see that as we speak, you can see the current market condition. So I'm going to remove all these lines so that those who are very new, who doesn't really know much about analysis, they can understand what we are doing here. These are candlesticks, and you need to understand how to read these candlesticks. Okay, yeah. So let me remove this line. This is a trend line. Let me remove this red. Okay, I really don't have much line on my chart. So now look at this. You can see here we actually built a double bottom. Yeah, I made profits within here and here. That was my analysis yesterday. Okay, but now as we speak, the market is on an uptrend. Okay, I'm going to show you why. So let's start with our top down analysis. Okay, now look at this. So let's look at the structure. So we have up, down, right? We have double top here, we have double bottom here. Then this double bottom was very, very strong, right? And it pushes the market all the way here, right? So this is the 4-hour time frame, and you can see that there was an extension of profits around here. I'm very sure that not a lot of people will be able to capture this area here, right? But from here, we now have a double top, right? So we have in the neckline. So we're able to break through the neckline down all the way, right? Okay, so that's the simple structure of what we can see, because we have to trade what we see. We don't need to struggle with the market. Okay, so let's zoom. Now looking at this, let's see, do we have any trend line we can put up? Do we have any trend line? Okay, let's use this. Yes, beautiful. That's it. That's what gives birth to that support. That's what gives birth to this support here. So if we've done this earlier enough, either you put it at the tip of the candle or at the candlestick itself. They both are valid, as you can see. Okay, yeah, so you can see what give birth to this market reaction. Okay, so that's good. So now we can see a double bottom. 1, 2, right? So you came all the way down, pull back, down. Okay, then we now have a little bit of consolidation, then down. Now it's pushing to the upside. Okay, so that's what we have. Now let's look at our break point. Let's look at our area that we're going to trade. So for the support start from here, as you can see, right? Then don't forget we have to trade based on confluence. You have to trade based on confluence. Now, if we had come to this market earlier than this time, then by now we should supposed to have been in the trade. Look at this. So this is the breakout. So you can see that from here, the candle actually closed very strong. Yeah, so from here you can still pick it up from here, or you wait for pullback. Yes, pullback will have been very realistic, but pullback did not happen, as you can see on the chart. Okay, so now let's come here. Yes, beautiful. So now we're able to capture the market at the top. That simply means that we might experience consolidation. Yes, so we have down, okay, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, now I want to tell you guys one thing again. Always make sure your buy entry is at support and your sell entry is at resistance. Okay, so since it's consolidation, I want to sell here. Now if this candle push to the upside and close below, then there's an opportunity for short. Some traders will tell you that, oh, I don't like to trade consolidation market. Okay, if you know what you're doing, you will trade it. There's nothing bad in it. Okay, it's just for you to understand how it's been done. So that's it. So you come here. So here, this is where we're coming. Since we did not capture this profit from here to the current condition now, then we need to come here. If any candle close below, then we can now, on the 15 minutes time frame, we can now place our short position. So that's it. So let's check the 1 hour time frame. Let's see if there's an opportunity. Yeah, so you can see that on the 1 hour time frame, it's still cooking. 1 hour time frame is still cooking. It's still cooking. Yeah, like, let me show you. So we have double bottom. This is the neckline. Can you see that? Neckline. Then up. Okay, so if any candle close above this, then there's probability that it might actually come all the way to the top. But what I think will happen, there might be a pullback around here. Okay, so maybe you want to wait for a pullback. Yeah, don't place any long position on a resistance. It's usually risky for day traders. Okay, it's always wise, very smart to place your long position at support. When the market is trying to dip, then you are looking for your long opportunity. You understand? The reason why you're doing that is because we are in a consolidation market. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. You see? So already the market is trying to consolidate until it breaks out of this. These are the major lines. I'm going to make them white. This is the major lines. Let's make it white. Can you see that? These are the 2 major lines that you need to break out for you to know that, okay, yes, we are actually going all the way to the top. So the market might still come all the way down here. So I think if you want to go short, this is your position. If you want to go long, this is your entry. Yes, this is your entry. You have to look for entry here. But if any candle close below, then you have to want to close the trade. You get it? So that's it. So let's see how the market plays out. So I'll be putting update on the masterclass. So if you want to continue with me, then make sure you join the masterclass so that you understand how continually to make profit with this analysis that I've done. Okay, yes. So now, I said I was going to talk about time sessions. Now, for crypto, based on my own personal opinion, I think the best session to trade, we have 4 sessions. We have New York sessions, we have Tokyo sessions, we have London sessions, and we have Sydney sessions. That's Australian session. Those are the 4 major sessions that we have. Now, for you to be very, very active, you have to trade New York session and Tokyo session, those are the two most active sessions. Sometimes though, London session is always very, very effective. So let me now show you how to get your sessions right on the charts. So come to your indicator. So I've already bookmarked this indicator. Okay, so the name is called FX market session. Okay, yeah, so this is it. Let's check, maybe it has been added. Yeah, can you see that? So you can see, based on the indicator has already given you a section telling you that this is New York section, this is Tokyo session, this is London session. That's already given everything. So let's go to 15-minute time frame so that you can see well. Beautiful. So currently you can see that we just started New York London session. Okay, 9, just by 9 we started this London session. Okay, if it's looking very rough, let me do it one after the other. Okay, but before that, let me first explain the entire, because you need to understand where two sessions overlap. Okay, yeah, so we just start London session by 9, and by my time here is 9:17, so we only have 2 candles. The London session is from here, 1, 2. Okay, it's just 2 candles. Now we have the previous one is Tokyo session. So Tokyo session starts, the purple dotted line starts from here, as you can see. Start from here, and it's going to end. So as we speak, Tokyo session is still on, so it overlaps London session. Can you see it? So let's check. Tokyo session will end by 10. See, 10 Nigerian time. Okay, so then we have Sydney overlap Tokyo session. So Sydney starts by 9 yesterday night in Nigerian time, and it ended 6 a.m. this morning. 6 a.m. You see that? Then we have New York session, starts by 2. You see, 14, 2, and ends by 8. Okay, then we have London session, starts by 9, and ends by 6. Can you see that? Ends by 6 p.m. So that's, let me just adjust the indicator. So let's view. Now you can see that it looks a bit busy. Okay, so if you want to make sure that you see the indicator very well, you can go to the lower time frame, so it will give space. Can you see it? And maybe on your laptop you might probably even see more. Okay, look, let's do this. Let's turn my screen. Okay, so can you see this? It's still looking very busy though, but you can see how everything open up. Okay, so let's go back. So for you to make it easier, we're going to do this. This is what we're going to do. So go to the settings for the indicator. Go to the indicator settings. So what you need to do, come to input, then activate one session at a time. Okay, so let's remove 3 sessions: Sydney, Tokyo, New York. So we're going to leave only London. Yep, can you see? So only London is active. So let's come 15 minutes time frame. Can you see it? So these are London sessions. It will, indicates all London sessions for you throughout the chart. Throughout the charts, you don't need to stress yourself. Throughout the charts, can you see that? Beautiful. So you do the same thing for remove London, activate New York. Yep, can you see that? So that is New York session. So, and based on my own recommendation, I believe that the best sessions to trade that you can pay a lot of attention to, where we always have momentum, is New York session and Tokyo sessions. Though we in Nigeria, Tokyo session is very challenging to trade because it's midnight, like when everybody's sleeping. You have to be trading, you have to be looking at your chart, you have to ensure that you're monitoring it to ensure you bring the best out of your trade. Yes, that's the reason. Can you see that? Can you see it? Can you see? So guys, that's how you filter this wonderful indicator. And I've already given you guys best time to trade. So don't forget to join any of my classes. You are highly welcome. The trade challenge is still going on. I believe that this video will help you to understand your trade challenge. So let's go. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.